Don't know how to name notes on the treble staff? Never fear, I'm here. Note naming is actually really easy. You just have to remember a couple of things. Now, first off, we're going to start with drawing a treble clef. Now, you always want to start on this second line here. So you start there, draw a bit of a circle, come round, come up, back down, and give it a bit of a tail. Next, we have a mnemonic for our lines and our spaces. So for the lines, it's every good boy deserves fruit. So we know that the bottom line is E, because you always start at the bottom. E for every, G for good, B for boy, D for deserves, and F for fruit. Now you don't have to use those words, but that is probably one of the most common ones that you hear. So our spaces are called face in the space. We have F, A, C, and E. Let me show you how this works. Okay, now I've written some notes. We're going to name what they are. So starting here, is it on a line or a space? It's on a line. So we start from the bottom. Every good. So this is a G. Now let's pop over to here. It's on a line again. Every good boy deserves. So that's a D. We're in a space this time. So we've got F, A, because I'm using the letters of face. Oh, we're on a space again. F, A, C, E. Okay, and our last one. Ooh, it's below our first line. But never fear, because we know that our bottom line is E. And lines and spaces just go through the alphabet from A to G. So one letter name before E is D. Let me show you what I mean by it goes through the alphabet. So we know our bottom line is E. This one is F, G, and then we go back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it goes on and on like that. Now we're going to finish off with drawing some notes. We're just going to use semi-breves like I did before. Okay, first one is B on a line. Every good boy. And I'll write that where I got to. C on a space. So I'm going to use my space rhyme. F, A, C. And last one, G in a space. F, A, C, E. We don't have a G. What if I keep going upwards? So if I have E here, there's F, and then there's a G in a space there. And that's note naming in the treble clef. Thanks for joining me again on Music and Theatre Education, and until next time, keep on that theatre adventure.